Yeah, so electrolyte cell again. Illegare. This is going to know it's about me. Or I have had about which energy conversion. And do worry. Now along the world, Almanic said energy conversion chemical to electrical. Why? Because I call galvanic cell illegal. You produce that. So come or Ravali Sham. Then Ravali energy conversion conversion. Then from what?
From
Electrical energy.
chemical energy.
Electrical energy is converted to chemical. Yes. Chemical energy. And it's straight already. This process is known as electrolysis or electrolysis. Electrolysis is like that. So, if I define electrolysis, banyak orang bocorin, banyak orang sebab energy conversion ke ingamu. Ya, boleh. Ya. So, electrolytic cell renovator straight to energy conversion now berusia battery. So, argon cell warna battery sih berkaunya. Let's say that we have AG here, and we have one example of electrolytic cell. Rawala electroplating. Language yes. EG number 1. Mobile so you have a picture. Then you know that. First example, electrolytic cell, electroplating. Now, electroplating, this is a process more rewarding, but one metal from a PC1, right? Then by transfer like how you are more objective. So the silver more. Yang menghijau, ya wala. So orang itu terlalu yang kau tanpa kasih level. Yes. So that is the process. And we will explain exactly nama kono. Electroplating. Ternyata kau pure silver. So orang nalih pure silver. So, clean as a silver. It's not silver this one, but it is just what? A material. That's what. But useless material sometimes, which about by but this is just any material or useless. Baru jam mutado, outra mutado ya. Ya baru jam mutado, bawa so, bawa dia lautan, bawa. Fez uma falha kamu arah electroplating. And also this silver, main diwa ya dia clean. Rasanya say, refiner. Itu bukan refiner gua. But atau mereka electroplating, langsung ada sama gua. Yes, mara main ada cleaner. Fez falha kamu papendage. That is the process. Process generally, electroplating. I mean, so the electrolytic cell. And number 1, I get refiner. I get number 2, electroplating. But you are papendage. Then when you have electrolysis of molten salt. Yeah. So your molten salt is a solid salt, maybe you can copper chloride. Again, why not copper like a so one of copper chloride is solid, illegal, is thinner. Like but the graphite tipping, then one copper fair. Learn the class out and yeah, yeah. So I'm talking about electroplating because this one is the easiest one. Then, what is electroplating? The other is the process when a very useful metal or material is used to coat a useless material. Yes. One of using electrolysis. Oh yeah, the process here, this process is electrolysis. Yeah, voila. Yes. Now, remember, galvanic cell. What is an anode? What is a cathode? So, galvanic cell a positive, which is a cathode, and a negative, which was an anode. So, this positive terminal is going to be what? Our negative. And this one is going to be our positive. Or can we also a positive one, sorry, positive one, this one, negative that. But this positive one is going to be what? Our anode. Lambda. Yes. This is going to be our anode. And this one, our negative one, is the one which is going to be our cathode. So, all battery immediately connect. Indian is swap the terminal they are swap. Because this thing losing electrons. Like what so when we have positive terminal, it's obvious what oxidation is going to happen here. Positively, it will the electrons from this side, initial to the other side. Why one? Yes. So immediately oxidation in here now. The electrons between positive terminal. Why one I think negative. So the positive terminal. So what do you have oxidation mode one electron. Yes, now retro half cell reaction. Yeah, why? Because more re-expecting Ag silver, this like a solution, and then the electrons the again. So I want to know what's that? Run Ag, yeah, solid. Yellow ring, what's that? It forms the ions plus the electrons on the oxidation side. Like what I yes. So it is obvious what I need to do. It is going to lose loss of mass. It will lose a mass. Again, what again? This mass is formed. Is forming what? Ions, the electrons and the ions. So what more respect the ions changing to a solution. The electrons so compared to family, like one mass will decrease more. Yes, this one is going to lose mass. Then let's go this side because we know that it is the positive Again, terminal, and it is the anode. That is where oxidation is happening. And this is the half cell reaction. And we are going to lose mass. Like what I am. So this side, our cathode, we expect of electrons ready to. What happens here? The electrons return via the external circuit. Then the Ag silver, the Chakabara solution, they are now the same electrons. So one electron stay immediately it's another. The ion G again because it's a negative and a positive. So the two components are more marine. Like one yes. Now what we have what? Ag plus ions meeting what? Electrons going to Ag solid. So we expect to see a solid forming around this ring. Like one so solid will start to form and coat this ring. Like that. Then the mass of this ring will now what? Mass of the ring will increase. Then what are we? This half cell reaction it will just break or since electric cathode then reduction happens here. Level of the tunnel. Yes. So electroplating, you can put your barrier down. Lanza. So in terms of recycling, energy conversion number one. Again, number two. Was I don't know what is electroplating? Again. And then number three, so I don't know that electrolysis is. I agree energy conversion automatically is also electrolysis.
Yes.
So holds the value of obviously whatever. Then electroplating your you explain or we are coating another metal sheet. Okay, when you understand the Kia silver so now we are coating another metal. How? Then we connect the battery and our positive terminal is our anode. That is where the electrons are going to come from. And when the electrons be drawn, what are the ions that are solution? Now the electrons sit traga kwa ni takam. Dia morini. Hadi di ions sit to that dia kama solution. Ni to fete dia na morini. Like what so dia what dia the copper na morini. Then we have another half cell. Yeah, the same silver but on the cathode terminal. So we have the anode terminal, we have the cathode terminal. So our half cell, yeah, silver can level. So another half cell, yeah, silver. Silver is being lost here and is being gained here. What the question? Because can I be a calculation now? Calculate one mass. Calculate a mass that is lost here. And this is what I want to do now. How do we calculate that mass?